Today we're going to be talking about cravings, food noise, and signs you aren't eating enough. If you feel like nothing works for you and you're eating less than 1,500 calories, I'm going to explain why. So we have to understand our metabolism. So your metabolism requires a certain amount of energy just to keep the lights on. So here's an analogy. Imagine a huge mall with many stores, and it requires a large amount of power to function all the lights in the stores. But what if all of a sudden it could not get all of the power it needed? Let's say it could only get 70% of the minimum amount of power it needed to keep all the lights on. What is it going to do? Well, whoever is operating the lights and the power in the mall is going to have to decide what's important and what's not important. The mall does have backup power, but it doesn't want to use up the backup power because it doesn't know how long it's going to be that it's not going to have enough energy coming in. So it starts dimming the lights on non-essential things like the lights in the bathroom, gallery lights, accent lights, any kind of light that is not essential, it's going to start dimming that or turning those lights off. Well, it's the same as your body. So there's a concept called metabolic adaptation. This is where below a certain level, your body has to decide if it's not getting enough energy coming in, where it's going to allocate that energy. So instead of burning the fuel that you have on your body, like your fat, like just full steam ahead, it's going to start down regulating some of the functions. Now, this doesn't happen in all calorie ranges. It happens below a certain calorie set point that your body determines is sort of like a survival state. And it can be different for anyone. Everyone has a different set state, but there's a point at which your body determines we're in a survival situation. We need to conserve energy. We need to conserve fat. So we're not going to burn fat. So what it does instead is it starts turning down functions in the body, such as liver and detoxification, digestion, hair growth, skin health, brain energy, and immune systems, just to name a few, or repair and healing and muscle growth. It even might start breaking down some muscle instead of fat, because muscle is very expensive metabolically. It takes a lot of energy to keep it nourished. So it might actually start breaking down muscle instead of fat. Now, here are the signs that you might be under eating and that your body is in metabolic adaptation. Cold hands and feet. You're tired all the time. You need caffeine to function. Brain fog, inflammation and water retention, crepey skin, hair that stops growing. You're losing muscle and gaining fat, so you're getting squishier. Constipation, gas and bloating. You react to supplements, frequent colds, and cravings and food noise. You're just constantly craving. You can't stop thinking about food, craving food all the time, cravings and food noise. If you are experiencing several of these, it is very possible that your body has it has changed its allocation of energy, and it has lowered some of its functions in order to keep you preserved and to be in this survival state, to only be fueling and powering the most necessary systems. Now, if you identified yourself in that, if you can see that maybe your body has adapted and it's conserving energy and it's burning its muscle instead of fat, here's what you might need to do instead. And this is very counterintuitive. I know this is a difficult concept, but you may need to reverse diet. And what I mean by that is you are going to slowly increase your calories. This does not mean you're going to jump up to 2,000 calories overnight, because that would be too much for your body. What it means is you're going to increase calories by 50 to 100 calories each week, and you're going to watch how your body responds, and you're going to keep increasing calories based on how your body responds, and you're going to try to get your calories up as high as you can go without gaining weight. And I know this is difficult, and that's why in the quick start module, I talk more about how to do this. And so if you are in this boat and you're experiencing a lot of these symptoms, then you want to check out the instructions on how to reverse diet in the quick start module. And you're basically going to increase your calories by 50 to 100 per week, alternating between carbs, protein, and fat. And you're going to track your biomarkers and see how your body responds. And what you're going to notice is you're going to start feeling a lot better. You're going to see a lot of improvements. So here's what to expect. Well, first, your body is going to be a little bit uncertain about what's going on. And so you might see a little bit of pause, like your scale. So that's why I don't recommend checking the scale every single day, because your body is going to start receiving this energy, and it's not going to start as fat, but it's going to start refilling glycogen in the muscles and the liver. And the scale could change, but this is temporary. It's not fat, it's glycogen. And glycogen holds water, so it's very heavy. And glycogen is like a backup glucose storage system. So do not check the scale. But if you can get past that little bit of change, you're gonna start noticing your biomarkers are gonna start improving. Puffiness is gonna go down. Digestion and bloating is going to improve. Your energy is gonna go up. Brain fog is gonna go away. Your mood is gonna improve. Sleep is gonna improve, and cravings and food noise is going to go away. And the changes you're gonna notice in your body is that the scale might not change, but your body is going to change. So you're gonna notice more muscle strength, definition, and less body fat. So your clothes are gonna start fitting differently. People are gonna notice your face could change. You're gonna reduce puffiness. So you're gonna see body recomp. That's when your muscle goes up and fat decreases. This is what can happen in a reverse diet, because your body starts to trust you again. When you're very intentional about slowly increasing your calories, your body starts receiving that signal that things are getting better. Things are like looking up. It looks like we're getting more energy. And your body's gonna start turning on some of these functions that it had turned off, like digestion and hair growth and nail growth and energy. Your mood, sleep is gonna improve. A lot of functions, your immune system, detox, digest, and your liver function is all gonna start getting powered up again. So there's so many things that we are not experiencing because we're afraid of eating more. And I know this is extremely difficult topic because we associate eating more with gaining weight. But if you can start associating eating more with your body having the fuel it needs to get out of survival mode, you're gonna notice so many amazing, amazing benefits. So again, use the quick start module inside of Metabolism Tune-Up to get more instruction on how to do that. So I didn't see any questions. You can always leave questions below after you watch the video. Thanks for joining.